Hair loss can affect just your scalp or entire body. It can be the result of heredity, hormonal changes, medical conditions or meditation. Anyone can experience hair loss, but it's more common in men. Hair loss is a big trouble in our generation, especially when men go bald in 20s. Swedish hair scientist Dr. Fred Zulli said that the reason behind hair loss is stress, pollution and poor nutrition. This is Mr. D, and here's the top reasons why people go bald early. Baldness typically refers to excessive hair loss from your scalp. Hair loss from small age is the most common cause of baldness. Some people prefer to let their hair loss run their cause, untreated and unhidden. Some people may cover it up with hairstyle, makeup, hats or scarves. And still others choose one of the treatments available to prevent further hair loss and to restore growth. Hair loss can appear in many different ways depending on what's causing it. It can come suddenly or gradually and affect just your scalp or whole body. Some kind of hair loss are temporary, others are permanent. What causes hair loss? People typically loses 100 hairs per day. This usually doesn't cause noticeable because new hair is growing at the same time. Hair loss comes when this cycle of hair loss and shedding disrupted, or when the hair follicle is destroyed and replaced by scar tissue. Hair loss is typically related to one or more of the following factors. Family history. The most common cause of hair loss is a heredity, family history. It means that if your father had baldness, then you may be affected by that. It's called male pattern baldness. Hormonal changes and medical conditions. Radiation therapy to the head. The hair may not grow back the same as it was before. A very stressful event. Many peoples experience a general thinning of hair several months after a physical or emotional shock. This type of hair loss is temporary. Certain hairstyles and treatments. Excessive hairstyles that pull your hair tight can cause a type of hair loss. Hot oil hair treatments can cause inflammation of hair follicles that leads to hair loss. Risk factors that increase hair loss. Family history of balding, in either of your parents' family. Age can increase hair lose significant weight loss. Certain medical conditions such as diabetes. Stress could be another reason to increase your hair loss. Prevention. How to avoid hair loss. Most baldness is caused by genetics, male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. This kind of hair loss can't be preventable. This tips may help you avoid preventable types of hair loss. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid compulsively twisting, rubbing or pulling your hair. Treat your hair gently when washing and brushing. Avoid harsh treatments such as hot rollers, curling irons. Avoid medications and supplements that could cause hair loss. Protect your hair from sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet lights. Stop smoking. Some studies show an association between smoking and baldness in men. If patients are being treated with chemotherapy, ask your doctor about a cooling cap. Pollution is also a major reason behind hair fall, so try to keep your hair away from pollution. You have to take nutritious food that gives your hair needed vitamin. Many doctors has blamed stress for hair loss. While genetic play an important role in balding, a stressful lifestyle play havoc. Simple lifestyle changes such as, getting 7 hours of sleep, having a glass of water every hour and eating protein-rich foods regularly can bring about an 80% change. So if you can avoid these things, then your hair fall will be lesser than before. And specially you have to take nutritious food that contains vitamin that your hair need to grow. Hair loss is a big trouble in our generation, especially when men go bald in 20s. So as we know, it is a genetic cause, so you can't fully stop it. But you can minimum the percentage of hair loss. As baldness people have to face many difficulty in our society, but you have to be positive about yourself. And you shouldn't change yourself. You don't need to hide anything. Look at the biggest Hollywood stars, The Rock, Vin Diesel and many more. So be the man you are and try to be real with you and others, then surely everyone will accept you the way you are.